Digital transformation. It's everywhere, but what does it really mean?
Digital transformation is about so much more than just technology.
It's a mindset where businesses empower their people through leading-edge technologies and process to innovate and discover new possibilities.
That's why Microsoft and EY are combining the best of enterprise technology with the world's leading tax content providers to transform how tax functions manage their risk, governance, and compliance. Today's leaders are dealing with a state of rapid change. The urgency to transform and build their own digital capabilities has never been greater.
And for tax, the volume of data being surfaced for reporting in the rapidly evolving global regulatory environment means that tax functions are increasingly owning the data for their entire organization. In fact, 84% of business leaders have said they're actively planning to transform their tax and finance operating models.
This requires the teams to examine their own capabilities and roadmap for digital technology, ultimately understanding the intersection between a technology blueprint, their core business functions, and the integration needed to empower their organization.
The pressure on tax and finance teams is accelerating. They need a clear and unified approach that transforms their strategy with real-time insights. That's why our alliance with Microsoft is a game changer.
With the EY-Microsoft Alliance, we are enabling integration and trust from the Microsoft Cloud with the capabilities of EY's tax and technology. It all starts with data, the key driver for any organization undergoing transformation in their business. Microsoft Azure empowers each organization with the data integration, management, and warehousing capabilities needed to meet the needs of their tax and finance goals. We are bringing intelligence-enabled tax to life through predictive analytics applications and improved business process automation.
We have unlocked the ability for tax professionals to get information earlier, in real time, and make it predictive, unlocking the future of work, turning big data into bigger insights, steering the tax function to the forefront of the business. Now more than ever, organizations looking to transform and deliver real value need a powerful ecosystem.
And that ecosystem needs to be underpinned by the right technology.
Every step of the journey,
no matter your transformation goal,
with Microsoft underpinning EY tax technology,
EY has the experience and technology alliance to create a better working world.